Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious vegetable burger. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want a good mix of fresh vegetables, perhaps some hearty black beans, mushrooms, or even sweet potatoes for a touch of sweetness. Don't forget your binding agents like breadcrumbs or flaxseed meal to hold everything together. And of course, a selection of your favorite spices, such as cumin, paprika, and garlic powder, will truly bring out the best flavors in your patty. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to prepare the patty mix. Start by cooking and mashing your vegetables and beans until they are well combined and have a good consistency. Then, mix in your binding agents and all those wonderful spices you've chosen. Ensure everything is evenly distributed. Once your mixture is ready, gently form it into patties. Aim for a thickness of about 3/4 of an inch for optimal cooking. With your patties formed, let's talk about cooking them to perfection. You have a few great options. You can pan fry them in a skillet with a tablespoon of oil, cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until golden brown. Alternatively, baking them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through, works wonderfully. For a smoky taste, grilling for 3 to 4 minutes per side is also an excellent choice. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade veggie burger. Place your perfectly cooked patty on a fresh bun and load it up with your favorite toppings like crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and a bit of onion. Don't forget to add your preferred condiments, whether it's classic ketchup, tangy mustard, or a unique special sauce. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, there's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for a link to this book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.